Let's get you up and running with Skin Tools. Skin Tools is now included in Maya 2027, and it works on a mesh that is already bound to a skeleton. So, if your character is bound, you're ready to start. This isn't a comprehensive tutorial. It's a quick introduction to the tools, with the goal of getting you working as fast as possible. Select your skinned mesh, then go to Skin and choose Skin Tools. With the interface open, click the Initialize Skin Layers button. Skinning layers lets you work non-destructively, so you can isolate and refine different areas without affecting the rest of the mesh. Let's focus on the left leg. Right-click in the Layers list. Choose Create New Layer, then double-click it to rename it. Now, select the left hip, left knee, and left ankle in the Influences list, then go to Tools and choose Add Influences. These influences are isolated to this layer, so your edits only affect the left leg. Go to Tools and choose Assign from Closest Joint to create a quick starting point. Click Paint, then set Display to Current Influence Colored, so you can clearly see what you're working on. Let's have a look at Brush Projection. Surface paints directly on the visible surface, while Screen projects through the mesh and can affect back faces. We'll start with Screen, but we'll refine using Surface. Brush modes include Replace, Add, and Scale, along with Smooth and Sharpen. We'll use Replace for painting and Smooth when refining. Adjust Intensity for strength and Brush Radius for size. Hold B and click and drag with the left mouse button to resize the brush. In the Set Weights tab, enable Common Settings Mirror. Then in the Paint tab, enable Interactive Mirror. Now your edits will apply to both sides. Select one of the influences and paint a simple first pass. Work through the hip, knee, and ankle, keeping things clean and readable. Lift the foot using the left leg controller and watch how the mesh bends. We're looking for areas that pinch, collapse, or stretch. Now select a few vertices and then press Shift plus greater than to expand the selection. Go to Set Weights, Smooth, and click Apply. Repeat as needed to gradually refine the result. You could also create additional layers for other parts of the character and use masks to control where those layers apply. And that's it. You've created a layer, added influences, assigned weights, painted, tested deformation, refined problem areas, and mirrored the result. This gives you a fast, clean starting point for working with Skin Tools. From here, you can keep refining as needed.